So, at the end of each lesson, I'm going to get an English teacher to give a tip, and I'm going to try and get a different teacher for each course. So you'll get 4 tips from one teacher. So I'm with Andrew, who's been an English teacher for... How long have you been an English teacher?
About 15 years.
15 years. In Bournemouth and...
Spain, Italy, Venezuela and Taiwan.
Wow. Okay, so I often mention about listening to music, looking at the lyrics of songs. Do you think... well, and also you speak Spanish very well and Italian very well, I believe.
Yeah, Spanish fairly well, but my Italian is okay. I wouldn't describe it as being fantastic.
Okay. So, what's your feeling about using music to learn a language?
I think it's a wonderful way because some learners, everyone has their own learning style, and a lot of people, music appeals to their particular way of learning, and everyone loves music, so it's a great way to learn because you don't feel as though you're studying hard because you're enjoying the.
Yeah, I think that's really a key point. It doesn't feel like studying. Where if you've got a grammar book or a list of vocabulary, it's not really enjoyable, is it? I mean, did you learn any Spanish or Italian through music?
Yeah, I did. I got into when I was living in Spain. I was living in Spain for a few years, and I got into the local music. The famous singers, popular singers in Spain, and when I listened to the music, I got interested in what the people were saying, and I downloaded the lyrics and looked up the meanings of the words with my dictionary, and yeah, it was useful.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, I don't need to learn English. But I remember so many lyrics from songs. I mean, if somebody says one line of a song, I could give the next few lines of many, many songs. So, but I mean, obviously, if you don't really like music, it's not going to be so good. But like you said, nearly everyone does like music. And and again, it's not studying or listening to music you don't like, but finding music that you do like, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Or even if you liked, for example, classical music with no lyrics, you could look up something about the composer, or maybe you could watch something on YouTube talking about the composer. So, yeah, I mean, I think the key thing, the most important thing, is to match what you're interested in with how you study.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, definitely. You can focus on one particular area, like music, or I don't know, maybe cars or something.
Yeah.
You can go off in the direction that you think that interests you.
Yeah. Okay, Andrew. Thanks for that. Your first tip, and we'll see you in lesson 2 for the second tip.
Okay. Thank you.